What if your workspace could stop waiting and start working for you? The next era of productivity is here. Google Workspace Studio. It's a low-code canvas where you can build powerful, custom AI agents tailored to your team's specific needs. Define your agent's objective with simple, natural language. Tell it exactly what you need to automate. Then, seamlessly connect it to the Google Workspace tools you use every day. This AI-powered agent monitors your inbox, identifies high-priority leads, and cross-references them with existing calendar events. It drafts a personalized, context-aware follow-up email in seconds, complete with pre-approved resources from your team's Google Drive. Workspace Studio is your command center for building custom AI agents that truly understand your business needs. It's where you transform repetitive tasks into seamless, intelligent workflows. Imagine an AI agent that automatically analyzes new project proposals in Google Docs, summarizes key risks, and drafts an initial response email in Gmail, all before you even start your coffee. Stop managing tasks and start orchestrating success. Google Workspace Studio can now automate your work with AI agents. You can test the new Workspace today. Just visit workspace.google.com/studio.